Good news, guys. You can now use Seedance 2.0 on this platform to animate your images. No watermark. Now, guys, watch this.
Oh no, baby Fluffy hungry.
We'll be animating our storyboard we generated in our previous video, and if you've missed that video, the link is in the description of this video, how you can generate your entire storyboard. Come closer, sit tight, and let's do this together. Without much ado, guys, let's get started. Because you requested for me to animate this, that is the reason why I'm making this video, specifically to animate this, and I'm going to use total free AI tools. Like you heard me said in the beginning of the video, I'll be using Seedance 2.0 to animate all of this. So guys, work with me as we do this together. Okay, so now the first thing I needed to do was for me to head over to my tools, right? And I went down here where I have the prompt. If you've not watched the video, please, I'm going to leave the description of this video so that I can go and watch how I designed my storyboard, okay, with just a simple prompt. So here is where I got my storyboard. Now I move down here to prompting and I go down to storyboard studio, and this is what I use to design this amazing and beautiful storyboard that you are seeing here with consistent character, elements, and everything is in order. And now if you look at these images are being combined. Okay, they combined this element. These are the ingredients, okay, that are used. These are the major characters that we are using, then the ingredients followed by. So if you want to know what ingredients are being used per per image, okay, now you're going to click on each of these image and then show history. Here is hide history. You're going to click show history. Once you click on this show history, I want to see the elements, the ingredients that are being used for this particular image prompt. Okay, so if you want to see the prompt, you can quickly open up the prompt here and then you look at it. So I'm just showing you, that is, if you're using this pattern to generate your storyboard and at some point you want to know how many ingredients are involved here, they are all here, and all of these ingredients are available in the entire storyboard, just like you're seeing here: the environment, the major character, the bunny, the environment, and the bunnies. Do you understand? Then we don't have the chocolate, we all have the biscuits that are involved. Okay, yeah, and then we now move into designing scene by scene. To generate this storyboard, I literally use free credit. So like you can see, my 50 credit is still intact. So to generate images using Google Flow, you have to use 0 credit for your image generation. So I will advise you, if you want to generate high quality images, use Google Flow, generate your images, and then take it to any animating, because for you to animate all of these things, it will not be enough because of 50 credit that is here. 50 credit won't be enough, okay, and at source is not free. But I'm going to introduce to you a tool, like I said, a free tool where you can use Seedance 2.0 fast to generate. So guys, without much ado, let's head over to dollar website. Okay, now we're going to be using this platform to generate our images. So like you can see, I've literally generated one, which is scene one. What I did is just I copied my animation prompt. I'm using Gemini AI to get my animation prompt, simple animation prompt. Right now I added my reference image, scene one image, and boom, the video is here. And you can see we are using Seedance 2.0 model. Okay, and then I have, on this platform, you are given 5 generation per day. So you can see I have 4 more points remaining for today, and it's literally free. So guys, for you to do this and for you to keep generating, it means you need to have another account. Once you exhaust these 4 points, you create another email account and log in, then keep generating till you exhaust all your storyboard. Okay, so guys, without much ado, I'm going to head over to generate my scene too. So what I needed to do is just to click on this image, or you click on this plus sign here, and I'm going to bring my image in. So because I have my image here, right, this is scene one. Click on it, download all your images and save them into one folder. Okay, once you're done generating your storyboard, download all of the images, save them into one folder, and make sure you label them scene one, scene two accordingly, so you will not make mistake in doing your animation. So guys, this is just the method that I'm using to animate my this particular storyboard. Okay, so now literally dollar AI dollar platform has upgraded so that I can literally create up to 10 seconds long video. So guys, this is amazing. Then I'm going to select my aspect ratio to be 16:9. Reference image is already here, and good, we are good to go, right? Go ahead and hit send. So if you want to create a storyboard, make sure you understand the story so that when you see the animation, you can read, understand if it matches the image and all of that. It's very crucial. That's why it's going to separate your video from every other person's video, to just not look just that robotic and not so real. Like if you can see this one so real, and the consistency is also mind blowing. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this. Let's see what the scene 3 is going to turn into. So for me to continue creating while this one is still loading, right? It is very smart for you to open another web browser, okay, so that you can log into dollar account, dollar AI, and then let's start generating from there. You can download the mobile app from the Play Store. I made a video about it. Check the comment section, you'll find it. So I already have my account here because I actually logged in. So I'm going to go ahead and continue generating, okay, my videos. So guys, see how interesting this is. So without you wasting credits on expensive tools, you can lay your hands on this one and try it out yourself. Let me know what you think about this. Let's watch the video that we created. Awesome. This is beautiful. So go ahead and save it. So once you are done, you're going to take it to editing platform and cut out the excessive, like the parts that you don't want. Okay, there's some parts that are repeating. Cut that out. So Google Gemini understands my character and has given me the motion prompt accordingly. So this is the particular image we are going to download for that particular scene, for that image visual. So you need to understand. See the reason why you need to understand your prompt. Don't just animate blindly, okay? This is beautiful. So go ahead and download this. Okay, so guys, we are moving. Then I'm going to add this another one. The last one we are going to generate in this video. And because I promised you that I'm going to animate it, that's why I'm taking it step by step. Paste the prompts here. Okay, good. Then 10 seconds. The aspect ratio, the same aspect ratio. Wait for it to finish loading and go ahead and hit send. So you see, so you can create another account. Okay, we have multiple scenes. We have multiple scenes. You can create another account and complete your generation. This platform is literally free. So guys, jump on it and start creating using Seedance 2.0. Right, congratulations guys, you're done animating all your storyboard. So you're going to move over to your editing platform. I'll be using CapCut in this case, so I'm going to add them accordingly, scene 1 to the last scene, and I'm going to adjust them to remove the watermark. You can see there's no watermark in my videos, and guys, this is interesting. Then go ahead and add your animation, transition, whatever you need to add. You can add caption to it if you want to add to make it more human, and then your video is ready for publish, and this is monetization safe. And guys, go ahead and give this video a like, smash the subscribe button, and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss my next upload. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.